Hey everybody, welcome to my latest toy review. Today we're reviewing the Joker comparison of one of the high grade design Jokers against one of the lesser design Jokers. As you can tell, the faces are different. This one, focus, has more of a cartoony look to his face. While this taller one in the way more purple suit has way more detail on his face. You can also see the difference in their height, their shoes, and the rest of the suit. Not to mention the designers and the studios that made them. This one was made by Hasbro, and this one was made by some sort of collector studio. Yeah, and sorry for the mess. Got a lot of stuff on my desk. But this is my this is a new toy review. I hope you all are excited as I am. You can see the detail on them. And this tripod makes it easier to get videos of me. Sometimes. Oh. Hey guys, this is Chaos Bearded Gaming coming at you live from my apartment. Just working on a new toy review, and I hope you all are excited to see it as I am. Thank you, and hope you all are gonna have a blessed day. And oh yeah, I just unboxed my Star Wars figures. Darth Vader and Yoda. Besides that, not much else is going on. Been busy working on getting this new iPod. Getting this new iPod. And working on many other projects. Like new Villains Tribute, new toy reviews. Gonna read you my Halloween one from last year because the lighting was bad. And read you a lot of other stuff from the channels past. And along with this new tripod helping me, it's really not that bad of a deal with how my videos are. This one will be long. Next toy I'm reviewing will be Darth Vader. And Yoda. Jedi Master Yoda. The legendary Yoda. Who was played by Frank Oz and Tom Kane. With besides that, everything else is going fine. This is my newest attempt at drawing a toy review in a vlog. Soon it will just be a toy review, and sorry for not uploading for so long. Peace, and I hope you all have a great week.